Hello everybody. I'm going to use this arm model to show some peripheral nerves that arise from the brachial plexus. Okay, so brachial plexus is a large and complex network of nerve fibers, and it's actually arise from the ventral rami of C5 through T1. So the brachial plexus is actually arranged into trunks, divisions, cords, and finally it became individual peripheral nerves. So these nerves will innervate our arm, forearm, and a hand. So here's several peripheral nerves that we need to know. So this nerve over here, this is axillary nerve, and this nerve will innervate your deltoid muscles. Now, this nerve over here, these two nerves, right, are actually going to the forearm. The one that in the middle is the median nerve, and this one is ulnar nerve. So ulnar nerve is on the medial side of the forearm, right? So and it will go all the way up, right, over here, and it forms a lot of branches that will innervate intrinsic muscles of the hand, right? Okay, now if you look at the median nerve, let me just remove this part of the arm, remove this muscle, right? So again, this is the median nerve, and you can see this way it is, and it goes through the carpal tunnel over here. So so median nerve innervates lots of the muscles of the anterior compartment of the forearm, and ulnar nerve innervates actually only two muscles, 1.5 muscle. So it's a flexor carpi ulnaris and half of the flexor digitorum profundus, right? But ulnar nerve innervates lots of intrinsic muscles of the hand. Okay, so again, so here's our axillary nerve. This is our median nerve and ulnar nerve. Now this branch over here, right, so this one, this is a musculocutaneous. To see musculocutaneous, I actually need to remove these biceps, right? And you can see, okay, so here, the musculocutaneous nerve. And musculocutaneous nerve innervates all the muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm. So it's a bicep brachii, brachialis, and coracobrachialis, right? Okay, so how many nerves we cover so far? Axillary, median, ulnar, and musculocutaneous. So one more nerve that you need to know is the radial nerve. And to find the radial nerve, we need to move this arm like this, right? Because a radial nerve will innervate all the muscles of the posterior compartment of your arm and forearm. Well, most of the muscles, right? So if I look over here, right, so this is the deep radial nerve, and this one is over here, superficial radial nerve, right? So radial nerve will also innervate the triceps brachii muscle. Okay, so that's our arm. So again, deltoid muscle will be innervated by axillary nerve. Tricep brachii will be innervated by radial nerve. Most of the muscles of the posterior compartment of the forearm also radial nerve, right? So deep radial, superficial radial, and then anterior compartment of the arm, muscular cutaneous nerve, and anterior compartment of the forearm, most of the muscles by median, and 1.5 muscle by ulnar nerve. Okay, so that's it for this model. Thank you for watching.